All packed. So this is my new... Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm currently moving back to Leeds. I'm going to start third year back at uni on Tuesday, but I'm just trying to pack the car up, well attempt, because there's quite a few bags. I didn't realise how many, but this should fit. I'm hoping they'll all fit. But we're going to set off to Leeds at about 2:45 because my check-in's at 4 to 5. So yeah, hopefully get a car park outside to unload all my stuff, but looking forward to it. So this is all the bags that I'm trying to fit back in the car. I'm hoping they'll all fit. I can't forget my Flora butter out of the fridge. But yeah, there's quite a few bags and it's got to fit in a little KA, so we'll try now. So I'm going to try and fit all the bags into the car now, which I might need some mother help. Susan! I might need your help fitting these in the car.
I know, I've sent 2 tips.
But I just wanted to show you my nails as well because I've just had them done to go back to uni with. They're sort of the duochrome Hailey Bieber inspired nails, which I absolutely love. A bit of difficulty fitting it in. It should be okay. I think the boot will close. The test. Slam it. Yay! So I've just packed all my clothes into my suitcase and I don't know how I've managed to get the suitcase closed. I've basically had to sit on it to get it closed, and I've got another bag now of more clothes. So I'm going to try and attempt to put that in the car, but it should be okay, I'm hoping. So this is my suitcase and it's very full. All packed, ready to go. Bit of a struggle, but we're all in. You're a bit squished, aren't you?
Yeah.
We'll manage.
I'm surrounded.
Oh, back in my old room from last year. Got some nice welcome bits. And then the view's really nice. I say really nice, it's nice. Nice sunset. Then if I can squeeze in, it's the bathroom. Just as I left it. Just putting some bits away now. Just put all the food shop away, and it keeps beeping. Got the top shelves. So I'm just about to put the rest of my bits away. I need to go to Nathan's flat to get all my kitchen stuff what I left here. But yeah, I'm excited to meet everyone. Oh, it's a lot of stuff to put away. Just collected all the stuff from Nathan's, just sorting what's going in the kitchen. Put a box already in my room, but yeah. Just moved everything in. About to take the trolley back down, get that out of the way, and then spend however long unpacking. Mother's very kindly doing the bedding. She's on the bed. Thanks. Where's he? In the background. Getting through stuff, just put everything in the wardrobe, which I'll show you. So I've got sweatshirts, tops. I've managed to fit all my jeans behind now actually, because I haven't brought as much back. Just reorganising that drawer. But yeah. Wave.
Hi.
Making very slow progress, but yeah, getting there. Got my shoes under there. My bin sort of went from round to this shape, where it's been in the bag for like all summer. Onto the decoration box. So I'm going to put all my pictures up here again, and I'm not sure what's under actually. So Mum and Glenn have just gone now, so I'm just unpacking the final few bits. Just about to put my pictures on the wall. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I filmed from this same angle last year. So, time lapse. So that's that all done. So I've just finished unpacking everything in my room, and we got given one of these dig in boxes, so I thought I'd just show you what I got. Some Garnier Rose Water, L'Oreal hand sanitizer, Rockstar energy drink, oh, Heineken, a cider, and ooh, a Bacardi. So I'm sure I'll be trying them. I don't actually think I've tried Bacardi before. I'll have to give it a go. Some L'Oreal hair samples, and then a couple of like sort of vouchery codes. So yeah, very nice box. So I've just opened this and thought I'd give it a try. Very nice. Oh, it's like, oh, I was going to say it's like blueberry, but so it says on it. I've just realised the light isn't great, but I think for the rest of the night I'm just going to sort stuff in the kitchen, and then watch a film, I think, on my projector. Just have a bit of a chill night, and then I'm not sure what I'm doing tomorrow, but we'll find out. So this is pretty much my room. As you can see, everything's sort of in place now. I'll probably do a more in-depth small tour sort of thing tomorrow just to show you around. But yeah, pretty happy. It's quite similar to how I had it last year, but yeah. Hi guys, so it's now the next day. I've just sorted my food in the kitchen, and I've also done sort of like a mini room and bathroom tour sort of thing that I'll put in. But everything's basically unpacked now and I'm ready to go for uni. But I'm really happy with how everything looks. Everything's in sort of where it should be. But yeah, pretty chill day today anyway. I've got sort of a task thing to do for Tuesday when I start uni, but apart from that, just chilling until Tuesday. So I've just put all my cutlery away and food, which I'll just show you now. So I've put my velvetizer over there, food in this one, and them two. My cutlery tray doesn't fit in here, so I'm gonna have to get a new one, which will be a bit smaller. And oh, falling over. Got all my plates and everything in here. But yeah, all done. So this is what my room looks like when you first walk in. On the back of the door I've got my dressing gown, coats and wash basket. Then as you go into the bathroom, on this side I've got my hand towel, my fake tan, spare toothpaste. I've put my tan there so it doesn't leak in the drawer. I've got some towels, a couple of fake plants from IKEA, spare toilet paper and a diffuser which is from Tesco, I think. It smells really, really nice. It's like a vanilla. And then moving on to the sink area, I've got my hand sanitizer, hand wash, toothbrush, and then just the shower with all my hair things, hair and body wash. Then in my wardrobe, I've got all my clothes, got sweatshirts at the top, a couple of caps, and then on my tops, and then jeans at the back. I've mainly brought my new stuff that I've got from Primark recently, so I think I'm going to do a haul. And then in my top drawer, I've just got the basics, socks, bras, knickers, and then second drawer, pyjamas, a few bags, and the last drawer is my spare bedding and spare, what they're called? Kitchen. Oh my god, what they're called? Eventually I've thought the word tea towels, but that's everything. There's also a floor length mirror, which you can tell by my appearance is a pretty chill day. But the only annoying thing about the wardrobe is the way the rail is. Normally you'd have one coming this way and it's coming frontwards, which is a bit of a nightmare. Then this is my bed, desk. So this is my new quilt cover from Primark, which I really love. Got my projector, which is perfect on the white wall, and my Pampers grass from Primark with the vase, which is Primark as well. And then down the side of my bed I just have my kit for uni and suitcase. Then under the bed is just my shoes and my main kit and brush bag for uni. Then, as you'll have seen, I've put some pictures up. On my desk I've got my Victoria's Secret sprays, my jewellery, mirror, my cushion, what Claire got me, which I love, ring light, brushes, and then in the top I've got some plants, a diffuser, my little Buddha, and this lovely frame what Claire got me again. Then my second one I've got a couple of pictures, some bees and books. Then I've tried to make this look as nice as possible, but I've got nowhere else to put it, but I've just put my cleaning stuff here, my little hoover and medicine box. So my top drawer has got my makeup bag, cotton buds, cotton pads, a couple of nail polishes, palettes and my skincare. The second drawer is all my electrical stuff, so I've got my AirPods, my diary, my iPad and laptop under this, epilator, toothbrush holder, and then I've got my massage gun, which you'll see what I got for my birthday, and sticker maker. And then this is a bit of a mess, but I've got no other way of putting it in. It's just all my hair stuff, so I've got my Mark Hill curler, straighteners, hairspray and brushes. So do a little pan round. And then the view's really nice because you see all the sunset. Oh, the light. I've sorted the cutlery issue. I've put it in here, the one next door, so don't need to buy another one. Hi guys, so I thought I'd just quickly jump back on here. It's been just over a week since I've moved in. I've had my first week back at uni, which went really well, but I was just editing this and realised I forgot to end it again, so I just want to say thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.